Hi dear students, today we are going to see the grammar part nominalization. Nominalization. What is nominalization? The term nominalization refers to the process of producing noun from another parts of speech by adding a derivational affix. For example, calm. If we add ness in the word calm, it becomes a noun. Calm is a verb. If we add an affix ness with the verb calm, the verb became noun, calmness. Next, useful. Useful is an adjective. If we add the affix ness with the word useful, it became a noun, usefulness. This grammatic expression turned into a noun phrase while we normalizing a sentence. For example, after 1885, trade with Europe grew. After 1885, there was a growth in trade with Europe. In sentence B, we have used the word growth, which is the noun form of the verb grow, by adding the suffix it. How can normalization be done? Normalization can be done in three different ways. The first way, we can add suffixes like ment, shan, shen, nes, asian, iti, add to verbs and adjectives. For example, admire, admiration, arrive, arrival, careless, carelessness, fail, failure, include, inclusion, intense, intensity, punish, punishment, activate, activity, active, activation, calm, calmness, foolish, foolishness, excite, excitement, hate, hatred, forget, forgetfulness, normal, normality, regular, regularity, quick, quickness, intent, intention, useful, usefulness, formal, formality. The second way, some words are turned into nouns without adding any suffix. For example, bleed, blood, lose, loss, prove, proof, sell, sale, speak, speech, base, basis, beautify, beauty, die, death, glorify, glory, encourage, courage, enjoy, joy, succeed, success, empower, power, memorize, memory, born, birth. The third way, some words do not undergo any change when they are used as nouns. For example, attempt, attempt, change, change, control, control, desire, desire, escape, escape, love, love, camp, camp, review, review, view, view. You can remember normalization as production of a noun. Normalization can be done in three different ways. The first one by adding affixes, the second one without adding affixes, the third one remains as same as noun. Okay, now let's have some exercises in normalization. In your textbook, page number 106, they give some exercises. Write the noun forms of the following words. They give beautiful, breathe, enter, know, defend, zealous, familiar, accept, and dangerous. The noun forms of the words are beautiful, beauty, breathe, breath, enter, entrance, know, knowledge, deafen, deaf, zealous, zeal, familiar, familiarity, accept, acceptance, dangerous, danger. We have learned how to derive nouns from verbs and adjectives. Now let us transform the complete sentence by converting verbs and adjectives into noun. In this process, we nominalize the sentences without changing the meaning. He decided to turn down her request. Here the word decided is underlined. Decided is verb. We have to change the sentence, change the word into noun. He made a decision to turn down her request. The next sentence, the word decision is there. The root word of decided is decide. If we add affixation with decide, it became decision. The answer is decision. Decide is verb, decision is noun. He made a decision to turn down her request. Second one, the team members reviewed the matter. It helped them solve the problem. Here the word reviewed is underlined. Reviewed is a verb. We have to change the verb into noun. The review of the matter by the team members helped them to solve the problem. Here we followed the third way. Next, complete the following sentences using the noun form of the words given in brackets. The boy had to give a proper dash for being late. In bracket they gave explain. Explain is a verb. Here we have to follow the first way. If we add affixation with explain, we have the answer. The answer is explanation. They could make prediction about the future. Here also the same way. Predict is a verb. If we add shun with predict, we have there is the answer. The answer is prediction. At one point in life, he had no dash but to trust his friend. In bracket they gave choose. Choose is a verb. Here we have to follow the second way. The answer is choice. The monuments are to be preserved because of their historical dash. In bracket they gave significant. Significant. We have to add ands with significant. The answer is significance. It is very difficult to work with so many dash. In bracket they gave distract. Distract is the verb. We have to add the affixation with distract. The answer is distraction. Next, read the sentences normalizing the underlined words. The first one has done for you. Students work diligently to score well in exams. Here they underline the word diligently, that is adjective. The diligent become diligence. Students work with diligence to score well in exams. First one, we succeeded in our attempt. Second one, Nalini leads a happy life. Third one, she failed and it disappointed her. Fourth one, India became an independent country in the year 1947. Fifth one, the child resembles her father. The answers are, the first one succeeded became success. The answer is, we got success in our attempt. The second sentence, Nalini leads a happy life. The underlined word is happy. We have to add affixes with the word happy. Nalini has happiness in her life. She failed and it disappointed her. Here we have two underlined words. They are failed and disappointed. The root words for both words, fail and disappoint. We have to add affixes with both words. The answer is her failure gave her disappointment. India became an independent country in the year 1947. Here the underlined word is independent. Independent is adjective. We have to add sense with the word independent. India got independence in the year 1947. The child resembles her father. The underlined word is resembles. Resemble is a verb. We have to add ends with the resemble. The answer is there. The child has a resemblance to her father. Next, complete the pairs of sentences given below into a single sentence using the noun form. The first one, he is an honest person, everyone likes him. The answer is everyone likes him for his honesty. Honest is an adjective. We have to add affix. The answer is honesty. Satya gave an explanation. The police wanted her to prove it. The answer is, though Satya gave an explanation, the police wanted the proof. Prove is a verb. The noun form of prove is proof. He speaks well, it attracts all. Here we have two words, speaks and attracts. The answer is, his speech is an attraction to all. Speaks become speech. Speech is a noun form of the verb speak. Attract is a verb. We have to add the affix "tion" with attract. The answer is attraction. His speech is an attraction to all. Suresh is always punctual and regular. It has earned him a good job. Here we have two words. They are punctual and regular. Both are adjective. We have to add affixes with both words. Punctual become punctuality and regular become regularity. The answer is punctuality and regularity of Suresh have earned him a good job. The policeman arrived quickly. It made us happy. Here they gave the word arrived. Arrived is a verb. The root word of arrived is arrive. We have to add the affix al with the verb arrive. The answer is, the quick arrival of the policeman made us happy. The next one, they give passages. Complete the sentences in the paragraph using the appropriate form of words given in brackets. My sister wanted to go to Mumbai last week. She made a dash in bracket decide to buy a ticket at once as dash in bracket reserve. Could be done online. She gave dash in bracket prefer to book a ticket that way. First, she collected dash in bracket inform about the dash in bracket arrive and dash in bracket depart of trains and airplanes. The answers are decide become decision, reserve become reservation, prefer become preference, inform become information, arrive become arrival, depart become departure. In this passage, all the 5 words are verb. We added affixes with all the 5 words. The next passage, few days later, Androclus was captured by his master. He had to suffer all kinds of dash in bracket punish. At last, he was thrown to a lion which was in great dash in bracket hungry. It had been kept in an dash in bracket they gave enclosed and had not been fed for several days. His friends stood there with dash in bracket they give tear eyes as the lion rushed towards him. The lion stopped near him and stood for a while, dash in bracket look at him. Then it lay down by his side like a pet dog, dash in bracket obvious. The lion recognized Androclus and the dash in bracket help he had given it. The answers are punish become punishment, hungry become hunger, enclose become enclosure, tear become tearful, look become looking, obvious become obviously, help become helped. Here punish is verb. We add meant with punishment. Hungry is an adjective which turned into noun form hunger. Enclose is a verb. We add affix then here we have enclosure. Tear is a verb. We add full with tear, so tearful. Look is a verb. Here looking is a gerund. We can use gerund as a noun. Then obvious we added ly, so obviously this is obviously is adverb. Then help is a verb and also noun, so the help remains help. Okay students, that's all about normalization. Let us revise some points about normalization. Normalization is a term. It is a process of making noun from verbs and adjectives by adding derivational affixes. This grammatic expression turned into a noun phrase while we normalizing a sentence. Normalization can be done in 3 different ways. The first way is adding affixes with verbs and adjectives. Second one, without adding affixes. Third one, there won't be any change with verb while changing as noun. That's all students. I hope everyone has learned about normalization. We will see in the next class with another topic. Thank you. Have a nice day. Be clean and be safe.